but we will use them as a recipe. So today's recipe is mango ice cream and vanilla ice cream. We are gonna make two types of ice creams today. To subscribe and comment and hit the bell icon so you never miss our video and get notified things we need now. We make one mixture and two ice creams out of it. Classic, right? Let's move on to the recipe. So for making it, you need mangoes that are right over here. 1.5 cup that will make is puree. 1 tin of condensed milk, 375 grams. 2 cups of whipped cream. It should be chilled, extra chilled, mighty chilled. 1 tin of evaporated milk and 390 grams. It should be chilled in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours. Going to make the puree and we'll put these chunks into the blender carefully so they don't fall. One chunk, second big chunk coming out. Save few chunks to make a chunky ice cream. Now let's do it. Done blending this, we did it. And now we put this on a side. And now I will put evaporated milk inside this bowl. My bowl. It's flopping. Chilled. Very cool and chilled. We beat the evaporated milk until this gets stable. Beat and beat. Finally beat the evaporated milk. But if it's not chilled, it can't get double, obviously. Now we will put it in the fridge and so it gets chilled. And we will make a heavy cream. Everything chilled to beat this cream like the bowl and this ice. We will put the bowl over the ice and hold it, and we will put this bad boy in. Plop. Just beat this baby up. And make sure to keep the sides closed, guys. Until it's there. And we will put this on the ice so it gets chilled properly. This is so noisy. I can't tolerate it. Close your ears if you can hear me, guys. Close your ears. This is noise. 5 to 10 minutes until it gets fluffy and whippy. Put the evaporated milk and the condensed milk into a mix. Let's put the evaporated milk. It's a bit of a sticky, so be prepared for stickiness in hands. Boom! Oops, that's my bad. And now we will put this carefully. I just don't want it to fall. There. Now I am beating this, and the whipped cream takes over. Whipped cream is taking over. Yahoo! dripping. And now we will divide it into two balls. One is going to be mango, one is going to be vanilla. One half. We need but put the mango puree into this mango bowl. We need everything to make this, to make mango ice cream, to make vanilla ice cream, to make everything. Now let's mix it well. Just wait and wait. Get it fast, Leon, or else I'll use the blender on you. I don't have mango acid. If you have it, you can use it in 1 teaspoon. Mixture is ready, but we will add some mangoes to make it extra chunky. And now dump it. Now we mix it. I can't get it. The mango out. It's like, bye. I don't want to be. Transfer the ice cream into the bowl. Bye bye. Dump it. Wait, where's the spatula? I don't think it's enough. Cover it with plastic sheet so to avoid ice layers. Now let's. Besides, this is. Oh, I can't find it. If you like this ice cream, give a big thumbs up. Let's move on to the next. The vanilla. We are gonna add vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Where's the teaspoon? 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Let's mix it. It looks like chocolate, but it's vanilla. Keep on mixing. Let's shift it into the container. But if we mix it up, and this is the spatula is bigger than my hand. Do it. Ta-da-da. Leave the spoon. Dump it. Cover it again with this plastic moving wrap. Good job, Anaya. Next thing. Wrong way. This is the wrong way. It should be this way. The ice creams are ready. We'll put them in the freezer for overnight. But in the middle, we will, after 4 or 5 hours, we will take them out and beat them with the blender. But if you want to make creamy ice creams, you need to follow my each and every step to make creamy and fluffy ice cream. You'll love it. Let me put these in the fridge. I'm gonna see you. Bye. Sorry guys, after 5 hours I'm back, but I was sleepy, so I slept in the kitchen. Now we will open these and blend these up. See, I told you the ice will not get on it. Ooh, look, vanilla. This you can see as the corners are getting cold, and now we will blend it carefully. Beat it on high speed for 2 minutes. Stop. It's gonna be good ice cream. Hola. Grab it again and put it in the freezer, and we will wash this, or you can just take it out and use the other one. I will take out. And now I will wash it so the taste of this ice cream taste doesn't go in this. We did 2 minutes and do it with 2 minutes on high speed. And now I will put these in the freezer. And please use in plastic container, not a glass. Please. ice cream. Ha 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 ha. So now it's finally the moment I've been waiting for, to open the mango and the vanilla and mango ice cream. So let's open them and see, are they fully freezed or not. That just popped on me. Ooh, it's fully freezed. Look, you can't even shake it. So that's a good, I don't know what to say. This one I'm gonna not and let's put it on the side, get stuck underneath, and this is good. And we will put it in the magical cups, and then we will decorate it, and then we will, eat it. Before I add the ice cream, I will drizzle it on the ground. On the sides, I'll try to. So this is not fat enough that I can. We will add the vanilla classical ice cream. That's good. It's smooth. I can't take it out. That was a big one. This is less, so I don't know how much time it will last. Oh no. Mama. I think there can be like more than one scoop in it. I'm gonna add this biscuit and wafer. I don't know what to call it. So I'm gonna add it right on the corner. And this umbrella, like that in ice cream. I'm not a good expert. So now I'm gonna add some chocolate sauce. Sorry for that. Wait. Now I think it will come out here. That looks yummy. But we'll add a less. I'm going to make some mango ice cream. First of all, they were already in there. Oh, this makes a lot of noise. I'm going to add some mango chunks. They're small cut because the spoon is small, obviously. I will add as much as I can. And now I put these wafers on, one over here and one over here. That looks good. And next is the umbrella. How do I open this bad boy? I think I got it. Here it is. And hopefully I don't rip it. Yay, I got it right. Yes. More umbrella. Okay, now let's add right over here at the beach. Dun, dun, dun. This is the second ice cream. Let me get the spoon. Here is second ice cream. Dun, dun, dun. Two lovely ice cream are magically made. Comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.